Do you need to maintain equipment but struggle to get the parts you need because they're no longer produced? Then you may be familiar with 3D printing and how it can print spare parts for equipment repair on demand. But what if your equipment has too many parts? How do you know which can and should be 3D printed? Some engineers may design innovative parts for 3D printing only to realize they're cheaper to produce with other technologies. Others may want to re-engineer existing parts for 3D printing, but don't know which parts will have the highest impact. 3YOURMIND simplifies 3D printing part identification with secure enterprise software solutions. Our software analyzes 3D files, technical drawings, and data points to determine which parts are suitable and cost-effective for 3D printing. But what if the software says the part you need isn't a good candidate for 3D printing? 3YOURMIND offers design for additive manufacturing services so that you can leverage the benefits of 3D printing for your most important parts. With your newly digitized parts, 3YOURMIND helps you build inventories of printable 3D part files. You can use these digital inventories to reduce warehousing costs by producing parts only when and where they're needed. Once your parts are in your digital inventory and ready to print, 3YOURMIND assists by integrating with your supplier network, or you can access our partner networks for local on-demand manufacturing. As a result, workers get the parts they need faster, so there's less operational downtime.